we're doing a lentil and bacon soup.
It's a great dish for everybody, but you know, if you're a bit skint and you're a student, good dish this.
First off, we're going to sweat down some bacon, an onion and a red pepper. Now, obviously, if you want to do it vegetarian, just leave the bacon out.
And use vegetable stock. What's your favourite feel-good food, other than this brilliant soup?
Fish.
Yeah.
Fish and seafood, when it's fresh. And, you know, you can almost taste the sea in it.
Yeah.
It's food that puts more into you than it takes out of you. It's a bit like celery.
What, celery makes you feel good?
Well, yes, because celery, it actually burns up more calories than it gives you.
Ah.
So, in fact, if you ate celery, you'd eat yourself thin. But
Right.
curry as well, because the spices that are in curry, they've got medicinal properties. Therefore, it is feel-good food. Right, the pepper goes into the bacon. But, you know, Si, I think soup must be way up there on the list of feel-good food. I mean, when you're a kid, when you're feeling run down, you know, it's your mum will make you soup. Or if you've got a cold, I'll just have some soup. Chicken soup, Jewish penicillin as they call it, it does you good, it's warm, it's easy to digest. And, you know, soups like this, they're different, but they're really tasty. Sweet potato. And, you know, whereas my mum would have used, you know, a couple of King Edwards in this, we're using sweet potatoes. It's a more complex carbohydrate, so it makes you feel fuller for longer. It's more satisfying.
You know how I love them, though? When you just literally put the whole thing in a wood fire, leave them, they go really crisp and blackened on the outside, and then you open them up, and it's just soft and fluffy and, oh.
Right, sweet potato goes in.
Sweet potato.
Sweet. But like most good soups, there is a lot goes in it. Lovely. I'm going to grate in a clove of garlic. I remember in Austria, do you remember one of their national dishes? It's a white garlic soup.
Oh, that's
it's so good.
Oh, I love it.
Pop in a bay leaf and a sprig of thyme. We'll put the whole thing in because we're going to take it out before we serve. And now the lentils. These don't need soaking, just bung them straight in. Give it a stir.
What I love about red lentils, they're slightly nutty, they're a natural thickener as well, and also they cook relatively quickly.
Yeah, you don't have to soak them. If you're using split peas, you've really got to soak them the night before. The stock, the engine room of the soup, be it vegetable, chicken, or oxtail, you need good stock.
And there we have it.
It's just a waiting game now.
It is.
You don't have to be ill to enjoy soup. I remember when I was a kid, I do love tomato soup, and we used to have fried cheese sandwiches. I'd cut it into four, but one of the quarters I'd always put in the soup, and it would sit there, and that was my treat at the end. I used to make castles out with potatoes as well. You know, potato walls, and I used to put the peas on the top where the little crenellations are, then I'd fill it with gravy. Then what I would do is I'd have a moat around there, and I'd kind of put the doorway down, and oh, they were brilliant. Full of fish, full of potatoes.
Dave is going to continue to talk to himself until the soup's actually cooked, which is about 20 minutes.
It's the smell of it, really. It takes me back. It really is a... until you see. But, you know, I was quite a sensitive child. But what my mother used to do to really cheer me up was do me deep-fried cod balls. I would sit down there with a slice of lemon and me cod balls. I loved it. But there was lots of meat.
It's done.
Champion, that took next to no time, didn't it?
That was good, wasn't it?
Do you want to fish the herbs out? Yeah. And I'll get the device. You could, of course, pass the soup through a strainer.
Why?
Or you could eat it lumpy.
I'm going to chop some parsley. I'm having a nice day. I feel good today, Dave.
Well, by the end of this programme, we're all going to feel fabulous.
Oh, yeah.
Because it's food that puts more in your body than it takes out of you. It's not necessarily diet food. It's just food that makes you go, whippy! Oh. Pepper makes you feel good.
It does.
It's a nice texture, isn't it?
It's a lovely texture.
Oh, I feel 10 years younger already. You know, the good thing about this soup, Si, there's that much goodness in it. It's almost a main meal soup, isn't it? You don't need anything else.
Soup that makes you go, ooh.
And there we have it, our lentil and bacon soup. Just the thing to brighten up a dreary day and make you feel good.